here, please come on time.
Okay.
Also to remind the parents of the graduating class, please for your life. You are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. This day, our well-known preschoolers are set to a greater journey on the white ocean as they sail away to the horizon of their tomorrow. Good morning, April 9, 2025. And Mrs. Mary Joy Guerrero, son of Chief Engineer Alan and Mrs. Maricon Sopilianos. Sir Roman Marco Rafael Castante and Eden Nunez. Vanessa Ian Christopher
Hi. Why ka man matayo? Warriors.
It was responsible and compassionate individuals help us overcome.
To our esteemed Federated PTA President, Preschool Department, Mr. Paul Kenneth Sancho, Daddy Paul, beloved parents, guardians, teachers, friends, and of course, our pillar, the strongest pillar of School of Abini, my better half, Sir Alan, and our alumni inspirational speaker, Jaya Marie Pastor-Fili, who is not coming right now, but she will share to us her words of inspiration later. To our dear preschool learners, where are you? Where are the Precasa? JC1 and JC2 and our completers, advanced CASA completers and JC2 completers, where are you? Oh, wow, thank you. And to Robinson's Place Pavilion, and to again a grateful morning, and once again welcome to the 20th School of Abini Moving Up ceremony. This school year is truly remarkable as we celebrate an outstanding achievement, producing not only one, but for this school year, we have produced 10 with highest honors, equivalent to gold medalists. A round of applause! Last time, previously, isa lang produce na, but this time, both from preschool and elementary, we have 10 outstanding or gold medalists.
Wow.
Good morning, to our honored guests, the entire faculty and staff, the teaching force of Escuela Bambini de Santa Barbara, of course headed by Sir Alan and Teacher Marie. And of course to my fellow parents, and most especially our learners from pre-CASA up to advanced CASA. I will keep this short but personal because I would like to speak directly from the heart. As a new parent in this community with a small and unique family, I can confidently say that we, together with my life partner, have made the right decision 9 months back to enroll our son who is at his 4 years old, because the school that we enrolled him in have helped us to mold him and help him grow to be a kind and a loving kid. And at the same time, the school prioritizes both quality and fun in learning for preschoolers. So it's truly heartwarming to see the presence of our parents and our guardians today in this event. And over the past 9 months, I have seen incredible support from the parents during the every federated PTA program. The generosity and level of engagement from both our parents and teachers in preschool have been surprising and overwhelming in the best way. It's evident how important it is for our children to see us actively participating and physically present during their most important moments in school. To Teacher Queenie, where is Teacher Queenie? To our Teacher Queenie Alberca, our advisor in the Federated PTA, thank you for your guidance since day one. Your partnership has played a crucial role, Teacher Queenie, in the success of our activities and initiatives over the past 9 months. To Teacher Marie and to Sir Alan, our school directress and our school director, for your constant positivity and unwavering support for all our initiatives. Without hesitation, the approval speaks volume about the trust that we have given to the entire PTA officers for this school year. And of course, to the member of the Federated PTA officers, although 9 months, I know, may not seem like enough to create a long and a lasting impact, I hope that we have made a positive difference for our children. Our group chat, Mami Alin, became our virtual meeting place and also the place where we have made decisions for our plans and our initiatives for the school and for our children. But please know that your support, although virtual, has been felt deeply. I look forward that we continue to support our school's programs in the future. But before I end my message this morning, I want to give a special shout out to my fellow parents in Pre-CASA. Your cooperation has been exceptional. Your support for our initiatives and activities in the classroom has been valuable, and I want to express my heartfelt thanks to all of you. To Teacher Rhea, please know that we are grateful for the love and care that you have given to our children. Your honest feedback on their development every day has been helpful for us to understand how we can make the right decisions for the growth of our children. While our children might not remember every interaction with you when they grow up, please know that we as parents will always remember how you made them feel loved and important. And the same message goes as well to our all preschool teachers. So once again, this is Paul Kenneth Sancho, your Preschool Federated PTA President for the school year 2024. Wishing everyone good luck and see you again 2 months from now. Thank you.
Let's give the biggest applause to Daddy Paul, because without his utmost support, our activities wouldn't be successful. Daddy Paul, the Scholar Bambini family will always be grateful.
We have taken concrete steps to address classroom shortage, personnel, strengthen our workforce by filling critical personnel, accelerate digitalization, enrich career pathways, and implement the values of perseverance, resourcefulness, and compassion that define us as Filipinos. As we move forward, Flor Rolly Gael Daman, silver medalist with high honors. Patricia Suizo, gold medalist with highest honors. Si Pao SDJ at the crowd with silver medalist with high honors. Nisha G. Pilio and Ria Isabella Esuruli. Parents, please don the medal. Silver medalist with high honors, Kyle Rexel T. Francine C. Alvarez, Liam Ethan C. Silveo, Sage